So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create this type of free website. So you can see this website I created. So this website I created it for free. So I'm going to show you how you can create yours for free. You are not paying any money. Everything is 100% free. You are not paying for domain, you are not paying for hosting. Everything is free. So all you just need to do is to keep watching this video, and I will show you step by step how you can create this type of website. As you can see on the sidebar here, you can see that you have your social medias, and you have here you have the translation where your visitors can translate your page, and you have the banner ad. Those ads, I will show you how you can add them, and I will show you how you can add this language. I will show you how you can enter this translate language session. I will show you how you can enter this popular post, all those things. I will show you all those features, and I will show you how you can add all those menus on your website for free. All you just need to do, watch the video from the beginning to the end. So if you click on home, it will display home. If you click on end, it will show you those are categories. Those sessions you can see. This end money online, these are section of category of the post that we created. So you create this type of post, and if you click about, it will show about. If you click on contact us, it will display contact us. So this is a free website, and all you just need to do is to keep watching, and I will show you step by step how you can create this type of website for free. But before you start creating this website, what I need to talk about is that you need to choose the type of niche you want to focus on. What is the type of things you want to focus on? Do you want to start reviewing application? Do you want to start blogging about a particular product? Because I'm talking about blogging online and making money from it at the end of the day. So you start up this business, you have to first, you need to put your effort, you need to put time, you need to put your effort and time. Just put the two of them so that you can be able to do this, to be able to accomplish it and become successful on it. So first you need to do is to choose the category of the things you want to be posting. Do you want to just focus on reviewing application services? Do you want to just focus on that, or you want to be talking about, you want to be blogging about news, you want to be blogging about sports? It just depends on what the category of the things you want to focus on. Do you want to start talking about new latest shoe, new latest sneakers, t-shirts? Do you want to start talking about anything at all? So choose the niche you want to focus on. If you want to focus on selling, reviewing a product, or you want to focus on talking about cars, it just depends on what you want to focus. You want to talk about like real estate. If you want to focus on that niche, you just need to choose what you have to focus on, and that is the category of what you have to do. So choose something, and once you come up with ideas of something you need to do, and you will now come back again to this video and keep on watching. So now that you have choose something that you want to work on, something that you need to start building online, something that you need to create, you need to start creating contents, articles for online. So let me show you now how you can create that website for free. You are not paying any money. Everything is 100% free. So keep on watching. All I ask for you is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any problem. I will try as possible to help you out in any way. So I will take you now to my computer to show you step by step how you can create your free website. So there is a link in the description. If you click on the link, it will display this website, which is blogger.com. And a lot of you is using blogger.com. If you don't know how to use it and design it, just keep on watching this video. So how you can start creating your website if you are new on blogger.com. The first thing is to click on this section that says create. But let me say the blogger.com is not showing in the language you are speaking. You can just scroll down here, just scroll down a little bit, and you can see at the bottom, the footer buttons here. You can see here on this section, you can click on this section, you can choose the language you want to use. So click on any language here, and it will change to that language. So if I go back again, I will take it back to the language I want us to use for today. So I will use English, and it will bring us back to English language. So to start creating your website, click on this section that says create your blog. Click on that section. So when you click on that section, it will ask you to select the account you want to use to create your blogger.com website. So what you need to do here is to come to this session and click on the account you want to use to create your website. So I will click on this. So here I'm going to enter the blog title. So I'm going to enter the blog title here. I will type in hosting. I'll just type in hosting and I'll click on next. Here is going to ask us, this is going to be the website domain. So you are going to see, this is what you are going to see, like let me say ugospower.bloggerspot.com, because it's a free website. So what you need to do here is to enter, let me say hosting. I will just put hosting, sorry about that, I'll put hosting ugospower. I will just put hosting ugospower there, and I think hosting ugospower is available. So hosting ugospower, and I will click on next, suivant, which is next. Here you are going to enter the name you want to display on your blog. So you know when you are writing your blog, the name you want to be displaying. So we are going to put ugospower here. So we are going to put ugospower as the name we want to be displaying. So I will just put in ugospower there, and I will click on terminate. Terminate is the end. Just click on end. So now you have now your website. So let's all see how your website look now that you have just created your account on blogger.com. Let us see how your website look. So if you go scroll down here, just scroll down once you land on blogger.com and click on this section that say affiche. Let me turn my blogger to English first before I do that. So let me turn my you can see this whole menu is not showing in English, it's showing in French language. So to turn it to the preferred language I'm speaking, which is English, I will click on this section, which is settings. I click on that settings, and I will click on this section, and here I'm going to select language, which is English. I'm going to select English here. I will just come here and click on English, and I will click on register as English. So now as you can see, now the website page now is not showing in English. So I'm just going to refresh the page, and it will start showing now in English. As you can see now, all the pages are showing in English. So you can see now that the dashboard here of blogger.com is now English. So to do that, let me show you again. I'm just repeating it. If you have this problem, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you can click on blog language. You click on here you can select the language again, so that your blog will be showing according to the language you are speaking. So click on save if you have done that, and yeah, so your website will be set on that language. So to visit the website to see how your website look right now, let us just scroll down and click on this section that says view blog at the bottom here. Click on view blog. So this is how our website look. If you remember, this is the name we use on our website, which is the name that will be displaying, and yeah, this is just the name that will be displaying. This one now is showing as the logo, but this one is the URL of the website, which is ugospoweru.blogspot.com, because it's a free website. If you want to get a domain, keep on watching. I will show you how you can do that. So now that you know how you can now create your website to dashboard, so I'm going to show you now how you can start customizing your website. So first thing is to install a theme. So we are going to move to how you can install a theme to this your website. So to do that, let us move to this step. So to install the theme, there's a link in the description of this video. There's a link below the description of this video. Click on it. So this is the link. You can see it says download Polar free version theme here. So click on this link here. So once you click on that link, it will take you to my website, and you will find the downloading button. So click on this downloading button to download the theme. Click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you to this tab. All you just need to do, so click on this section that says download. So once you click on download, it's going to download. So you can see I have downloaded the theme. So what we need to do, we need to go and extract the theme on our computer. So guys, this is the theme on my computer. So all I just need to do is to extract it. Click on the theme and click on extract all file, and you choose where you want to extract it to. where you want to ensure the file to. Just click on that and you select where you want to ensure the file to. I just want to leave it where it is and click on ensure all. So once you click on that, you can see that it will ensure all the file. So once it's done, you are done ensuring it. Let us move to how you can install it on your website. So to install the theme on your website, just click on this section that say layout. If you click on layout, this is the section where you have to design your theme if you want to do that. But we want to install a theme that will make our website to look good, because you see that our website is not looking good. This is how our website is looking now, which is ugly, and we are going to make it look good. So what we need to do now is to click on this section that say theme at the bottom here. You can see under layout, theme. Click on theme. So once you click on theme, click on this icon, this drop down icon. Once you click on that drop down icon, click on this section that say restore. Under backup, you can see restore at the bottom. Click on restore. So it's going to say you can upload theme from a file on your computer. So click on upload. So once you click on upload, it's going to show you those things that you can see here. You just need to go to download. That's where we enter that file. So this is the Polar free version theme. So click on it to open it, and make sure you select this one here. This, you can see Polar free theme that have this kind of icon. Let me say Google Word icon. You can see it here. Just click on this one here and click on open. And you can see it said restoring a theme. So you're restoring the theme. So once you are done with that, your website will change automatically. So what you need to do again is to go to your website and see how it look now. So what we need to do, how to go to our website. So to go to our website now to see how our website look is to click on this section that say view blog. Just scroll at the bottom here, click on view blog. So yeah, voila. So as you can see now, this is our website. You see the way it's looking good. So it's looking beautiful. You can see all those features. You can see drop down buttons. You can see all those things. So I will show you how you can add all those things and how you can remove all those things and add it on your own. So you can see at the bottom here, you will find that blog will start displaying once you start designing the website. At the left side here, you will see that all those social icons, you can add your own social icon. When they click on it, to take them to your social media. Here you find popular posts, and here you find your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, you can embed it here. And if you have your Facebook page, you can link your Facebook page to your blog, and it will be displaying like this, even more better than this. So now that you already see that the theme is working now, it have been installed. So we are going to go back to our website here, and now we are going to start designing your blog. So how are you going to start designing your blog? The first thing you need to do is to come to layout here, and you need to delete all those sections. If you see the logo, the menus, all those things, you need to delete everything. So to delete it, all you just need to do is to come to this section that say menu here. So click on this section that say menu. Those are the menu that you are seeing here. Under menu, you see at the bottom, just scroll down a little bit. You see all the drop down menus and etc, etc. So you can find all the menus here, the menus and their links. So what we need to do is to delete everything. So I'm going to delete everything. So if we come here now and check again the menu, you scroll down a little bit and you see there's no item, which is the menu. We have deleted it, and click on save. So if we go back again now to our website and refresh, you can see that the menu have disappeared because we have deleted it. So the same, we are going to remove the footer section. You can see under the footer section here, you can see home, about is still displaying, contact us is still displaying at the bottom. So we are going to remove that. So to do that is to go to this section again and just scroll down to the bottom. You see this section that says footer menu. Click on footer menu here. We are going to add all those things back. Don't worry, we are just removing them just to edit our website just like we want it. So you can see the home, about, and contact us. This is what is displayed at the bottom here. So if you come to your website, you can see at the bottom here, this is what is displaying. So we are going to remove that. So to remove that, we just need to come here again and click on delete. So as you can see, we have deleted everything. And if I click on it again and scroll down under footer, you will see that there is nothing. I click on save and go back to our website to refresh our website. you will see at the bottom, if you come down at the bottom again, there's nothing that is displaying at the bottom again, so we have deleted that. If you want to remove this about me, God's power, you can remove that too. Come to your layout here and you can see about me. You can just click on this icon to off it. To off it, click on this icon here. So once it opens, you click on show this widget. If you want to show it, you uncheck this to make sure it's on. And if you want to off it, click on off this and click on this, so it will be disabled, it will not show again. Go back to your website and refresh it, and you will see that it will disappear. You will not find it again. As you can see, you have disappeared. So that is how you are going to do it for the rest. You can go up again, just scroll up, and that is how you can remove this blogger search and other things you can find on your website or here. So those are the widgets that display on the sidebar. So you can just play around with it. You can drag it up and down, decide how you want it. Those widgets here, which says sidebar right, which is the widget, that is what you can see at the sidebar here, is what is displaying. Everything you can find here is what you can find under layout, under this section that say sidebar right at the bottom here. Everything you see here is what you can find on your website. So how can you start designing your website and making it look good? So the first thing is to add your own menu. So to add your own menu, you need to start now by just clicking on this section here. Click on this section. Now we are going to add our menu. So to add our menu, click on this section here and you are going to add home. So here we are going to call it home. This one we are going to call it home, and we are going to call the next one. Click on home and click on save. I will show you how you can add the link of home, and click on this section again that say add, and just scroll down, just scroll down a bit. Just do the same thing. You are going to call this about. Just call it about, and yes, about us. You can just put about us and click on save. And that is how you can add pages on your website menu. So I'm going to add other menus that I want to. So you can see I've added all the menu I want on the home page. I will just click on save. And if we go to our website now and refresh it, you can see now that it's displaying now. We have home, about, contact us, and hosting and domain. So that is what I just added. So we have started designing our website. So how can you change this logo and add your own? So we are going to create a logo from Canva. So to create your logo, what you need to do is to go to Canva. So let's go to Canva and create your logo. So once you're on Canva, click on create design, and here you are going to search for logo and click on enter to get your logo. Just click on logo 500 by 500 pixel. So once you enter 500 by 500 pixel as the logo size and you are okay with that, so it's going to prompt you here. So once it prompts you here, you need to come to this section that say element. Click on element and select, like, let me say website. Just search for something like that, website, and it will show you kind of website design, like all those kind of things. I will just click on this one here and I will design it just like I want. If you want to design it, just make sure you click on this thing and you can select the color of how you want it to look. If you want it to be red, if you want to put some things at the put some color like this type of color here, and you want to do some things like, you just design it according to how you want. And how you can drag in text, you just need to scroll down here, click on this section, click on the text tab here, and you can drag in text, or you can just click on it twice and it will drop down here. So what we just need to do is to do God's power. Can just do like God's power. Yeah, can just put like something God's power you. So put like something God's power you. So we are trying to focus on hosting and domain. We can just do something very simple. Let me just do it to be simple. So I think I'm okay with this logo here. So all I just need to do, once I'm through with it, I like this design. I selected it from element. Just search for anything you want. It will display, and you can choose what you want and how you want your logo to look on Canva. So I will just click on this section that says share, and I will just scroll down a little bit and I'll find download. I will click on download. I'll make sure I click on compress the file so that the file size will be low, not too hard. And I'll click on transparent background and click on download. And once I do that, it just downloaded to my computer. So all I just need to do again now is to create the favorite icon, which is something you can see that displayed in any website like this. You can see at the top here this is favorite icon. This is it. You can see on Canva, you can find it here. If you go to my website too, you can find it. Favorite icon is what you use to display at the top of the website before the website name. So I'm going to do that. So all I just need to do is to remove my the name of the website there, and I will use this one as the favorite icon. I will just expand it. I'll make sure I expand it. Make sure it's big, at least it can cover up everything. At least, okay, I think I'm okay with it like this. And I will still click on save, and I will scroll down. I click on download and transparent background. So once I'm through with that, I'm through downloading the file. So we are going to go to the section where we are going to add all those things to our website and make our blogger website or our website look good. So that is what we are going to do next. We are going to go to the section where we are going to add all those features and all those things we downloaded and our blog posts and edit our website. So guys, now that we have downloaded our logo, so how to add our logo to our website? When you click on layout here, you will still bring you to this section where we are designing our website. So you will see this section that says header logo. So you need to click on header logo. Click on header logo here. So you can see that this is the polar logo that is displayed on our website. So what we need to do is to add our own logo. Click on this section here and just scroll down a bit. Click on this file and upload your own logo, the logo we just downloaded. So we are going to go to the logo we just downloaded. I think is this one, and yeah, this is the logo. We are just going to click on this one and upload it. So once we click on that, we are just going to click on save. So once we click on save, we have to go to our website. This is how it looks now, so let us refresh it. Voila, so we have our logo now that is displaying on our website, and we need to remove this favorite icon. You can see it's showing blogger favorite icon here. So to do that, how we can do that is to go back to our dashboard here, and we need to go to settings, and you need to scroll down until you find this section that says favorite icon. This section here, click on favorite icon. So once you click on the favorite icon, click on this section to upload your favorite icon. It's this one here we just downloaded, and we need to click on this and upload it. So this is what is going to be displayed anywhere on if they search for that website. So we need to click on save, and now it will take us back to our website. So we are going to go click on layout again. So let us go and see how our website look now. In other tab, we are going to copy this URL here, copy this URL and go and open it in another Chrome browser. So if you refresh it here, you will see that it will not display. But if you copy this URL and go and share it and open it in another tab, you will see that it will start displaying there. So we are going to go back to layout, go back to our website again. So on this session now, we are going to start designing the website or the footer of the website. So we need to go back again, go to footer, and now we are going to create the pages that we want to display under footer menu. So we are going to create the privacy policy and the terms of use on this website. So to generate your privacy policy and refund policy, first we need to create two pages. So we need to create this privacy policy, refund policy, history, privacy policy, not refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of use and contact us. So that is the 3 pages we need to create. So to do that, we need to click on this section that says pages. Click on pages here, and we are going to click on this section that says new page. So once you click on that, you are going to type in privacy policy. So once you type in privacy policy, so to enter the content, because you will not be able to write privacy policy or refund policy content, and you will be worried. So I will show you how you can how this website can help you to generate your privacy policy and refund policy. So we are going to move to the website that will help us to generate the privacy policy and terms of use. Privacy policy and terms of use. So you will land on this website that is called H Super Tools. hsupertools.com. So this is the website we are going to use. So if you click on web tools here, you are going to click on this section that says privacy policy generator. Click on that, and here you are going to enter your website name and URL of your website here, and it will be generated at the bottom here, so which is what I'm going to do now. So I'll enter the website URL here and the website name here. So I'm just going to do that in a second. So I have entered my website name and the URL of the website, and I'll click on generate. And you can see at the bottom here, it have just generated the privacy policy URL. And what is still good is that it still gives us a code that we can still use to paste on our website. So we can just copy this code to the HTML code, version code, and go and use it on our website if we wish. So we just need this one at the bottom here. We just need this one. So we just need to right copy everything. So once you have right copy it, you need to go back to your website where you are creating the page of privacy policy, and you paste in the whole code here. And what I used to do, I can just scroll it up a bit. I will click on this section, and I will copy everything on this page here. So what I can do here, I will just click on that, copy everything, and I will center all the content. So I'll just leave it like this, and I'll center all the content. I click on publish. And do you want to copy this thing? Yes, I want to publish it. So now we have the privacy policy. We are going to do the same thing we just did for the contact us and the terms of use. So I'm just going to do that in a second. So I'm back again on this website here, which is H2Part2, where we are generating our terms of use. So what we are going to do here now, I have entered the name. I will just click on generate. So as you can see, it just generated our terms of use, terms and conditions, so which is terms of use. So yeah, I will just copy it again. So as you can see, I've copied everything here. I will go back to our website. We are going to paste it on terms of use page. Paste it again, and like we did, just go up and type here like you want to type, and press your key and select everything to center the content. So I click on that and center everything, and I think we are good to go. So I will just click on publish. This will be published. This page will be published into your blog, and click on confirm. Yes, want it to be published. So the next page we are going to create, which is going to be the contact us page. So this one is different. There's another way you can do this, and it's not like we just did on those ones here. So I'm going to show you how you can create your contact us page. What you need to do here now is to click on this section that you want to create a page. Click on this section again, and you need to write in here and contact us. Sorry about that, wrong spelling. Contact us, and once you click on contact us, so once you click on contact us, don't do anything now, just wait. I'm going to show you what to do. So what you need to do now is to go back to that same page on YouTube, or this below this video you are watching, the link in the description. There's a link on the description. It will take you to the HTML code that you can use to paste. You can paste this code on your website. So just go below this video. There's a link. You will see the link will say download the contact form code here. So click on this link here. So once you click on this link, it will open up, and it will show you my website, and you will see say get a contact form code. Click on this section that says download now. So once you click on this section, what is going to show you the code here. Copy all this whole code here. So copy it. So as you can see, I have copied the whole code here. So once you copy this whole code, then go back to this page you are trying to create. Then click on this icon here. So once you click on this section, you will see it says HTML. Click on that section, and here you are going to remove this code that you are seeing here and paste in that code you just copied. So once you paste in this code you copied, so what you need to do, you need to change one code here. It's very simple. Just scroll down a little bit. Just scroll down. If you cannot scroll down a little bit, you'll find this section that say blogger ID. This section here, this ID here. So you are going to remove this ID and put your own ID. So how are you going to find your blogger ID? On your menu right now, the menu you are now where you are creating your blog, you will find this section. Copy this URL, this blogger ID here, which is just this one here, just this code that starts with 71. Just copy this code. That is your blogger ID. Copy that code there, and come here like this again and copyright it and paste in that code. So as you can see now, the code have been replaced with this our code that we just copied here. We copy this code from here and we paste it on this ID here. That is only what you can change on this code that you copied, just from here, from this session to this area here. That is what you are going to. So once you are through entering that code, because when they will send you an email, the email will be sent to your Gmail account. You receive an email. So what I can advise is that once you enter this code, you need to send message to that your contact form to see if it's working. So you will see that you receive a message on your Gmail telling you that somebody is contacting you. So once you are through with that, then click on publish here and click on publish. Voila! So right now you have your contact us and you have your terms of use and you have your privacy policy. So let us visit our privacy policy, terms of use, and privacy policy, terms of use, and contact us. Let us view the page and see how it looks. So to view the page, you just need to click on this eye icon. Click on this eye icon, the page will open. So I'm going to open the 3 of them. So if I click on anyone here, so this is our contact form. So they can enter their email here, they can enter their Gmail here, and they can enter their message here, and they click on send, and we will receive the message that is sent to us. So if we go to privacy policy, you can see this is our privacy policy. You can see that our privacy policy is looking good and smooth. So you see the way it's looking very, very beautiful. This sidebar is where we are going to work on now. If you go to terms of use, you can see that is the same thing. Everything is centered and is looking beautiful. So that is everything I need to talk about on how you can create your privacy policy. So if you see that our website is not displaying the privacy policy and terms of use at the bottom here, so how are we going to make that to display on our website is what I'm going to show you before we move to any part again. So what you need to do, go back to layout, go to layout. Now that we have created the page, go to layout, and what we are going to do, we are going to create all those pages. So to create all those, to get things up going, is to click on this section again, on the footer section, and we are going to add the menu. So we are going to create privacy policy, terms of use, and contact us. So is what we are going to create. So to do that, click on add items, add new item, and here we are going to call it contact us, and let us say contact us. Yes, contact us, and we are going to click on save. Don't worry, now we'll add the URL so that anytime they click on that, it will be sent to that particular one. Click on this again and enter privacy policy, and you create privacy policy page. That is how you can create your privacy policy and terms of use page. I'm going to do that in just a second. So now we have created it. You just need to click on save, and if you go to our website, you can see, we go to our website and you can see that privacy contact us, privacy policy, and terms of use is now displaying on our website. You can find it at the bottom here. So yeah, that is how you can create that. And if you click on any one of them, let me say I click on contact us, you will see that it's not showing, it's showing blank. So how can we make all those pages to be displaying? So is what I'm going to show you. So what you can do now is to go to your pages. If you click on pages here, and you need to open all those pages. This is our contact us page. Click on it, make sure it's open. Go back again and click on terms of use. Click on it, make sure it's open, and go back again. Click on privacy policy. Click on it, make sure it's open. So once it's open here, this one I will see that we have our privacy policy. Copy the URL of the privacy policy here. Copy it. Copy privacy policy URL. Go back to your Blogger website and click on layout and just scroll down to footer. So if I click on footer here, so we are going to those menus that we just created. So this is the menu. Click on icon like you want to edit it. So it's not contact us we want to do. We just need to cancel that. It's this one here, which is privacy policy, is the URL here. I will paste in that privacy policy URL here. So I will click on save, and I will do the same for the rest of them. So I will click on like terms of use, and I will go to terms of use URL, which is this one, and I will click on it here and copy and go back to this place here and paste in the URL of the terms of use. You see now, you see how we send the link to the particular URL and we paste in that. I'm going to do that for the rest of them. So once you are through with everything, click on save and let us go and visit our website to see how it will display. So we have just refreshed our website. Let us scroll down, and if we click on the contact us here, and you see that it will display just the same as the rest of them too. That is how you can add it. You can link your privacy policy, refund policy, and etc, etc. So that is how you can do that. You can see now that everything is working now. So that is how you can display your contact, your privacy policy and refund and terms of use and your contact us form on your website. So let me say you want to do the same thing on your home page. If you go to the home page here, let us click on home page, and the contact us is showing blank. So we are going to do the same thing. You are going to click on layout, click on layout, and once you're on layout, just scroll down a little bit and click on menus. Click on menus here. So once you click on menus here, just scroll down and you are going to enter the link of contact us here. So where is it? Contact us. I will enter the link here. Same thing as the home page here. So I'm going to copy the home page URL and come and paste it on home. So anytime they click on home, it will take them to home. So this is the home of the website. I will copy the URL and go back to layout, click on menus, and I'll click on menus again, scroll down, and you enter the home menu icon link here. Click on this section and enter the menu link, and you click on save. Same thing for about. I'm saying the domain and hosting just the same thing, and about us is the same thing. So I'm going to create a about us page. Before that, I'll just click on save to save the work I've done. So to create a about us page, we need to go back to pages again. Go to pages and click on page, create new page, and here we are going to call it about us. Call it about us like that, and click on this section to bring it back to compose so that you'll be able to write, and I'm going to paste in about us. So I have about us content already with me. I will just paste it here, and we can turn the about us content. We can turn the size to something like let me do something. All I just need to do here is to look for the forms. So I need to search for add forms. Click on add more forms. So I'm going to search for pop-ins, which is this one here. I will just click on select, and you see now that the fonts, the about us is looking good. So I'm going to turn the content to something like black. So at least the content is looking good now. So this one is showing blue, so I'm going to leave it just like it is, and I'm going to click on publish, and I'm going to click on publish, and once it's open, it's going to be about. I will click on about, view about. So this is how my about page look. All I just need to do here is to copy the URL of about and copy the URL and go back to your Blogger website and click on layout. So when you click on layout, scroll down again and you click on menu, main menu, this section, and scroll down again, and you need to click on about us and paste in the about us URL, and that is all. Pasting the URL here, and you click on save and click on save. So it's remaining the domain and hosting. That is a category of a blog that we want to be creating. So now we are through designing the website. Let us look how our website look now, because we are through designing all those things. So since we are through designing it, you can see all our pages is now working. If we click on it, it will take us to a particular place that we created. If you click on about, it will take us to about. If you click on home, it will take you to home. So you see now that you have all this beautiful website created for you in a very simple way. So how you can remove all those things you can see here is very simple too. Go back to your Blogger website, click on layout, and go to widget, widget here. So we can remove the popular post here. We can call it something else. You can put it something you want, or you can put like 3 posts maximum, or you can just leave that and just decide how you want it to display. So what I want is just the subscribe us, which is Facebook, and this one here. And we can still leave category, but this one we are going to disable it. This search blog, we are going to disable this one, and I will click on save. I will do the same for the rest of them. I will disable the rest of them here, which is add. So I will disable them. I will just turn it off, and that is it. So I will go to the attributes. The attribute is a category 2. I will just turn it off. I don't want anything to display there. Turn it off, and yeah, I will just click on that. I can decide to remove it. I will just click on remove and click on remove, and it will be removed from the website. I will just click on turn it off and remove and continue, say OK, and that is it. So we are going to do the same for the rest of them and off all of them. Let me just do that in just a second. Even the label too is a category. You just need to off it. So I have off a lot of all those things you can see here. And if you go to our website now and refresh it, and on the sidebar here, you will now see that it's just the social media and the Facebook and popular post that is displaying here. So you can see that that is what will be displaying here. So you can see now, and that is only the 3 things we have on our website now. So our website is looking clean and beautiful. So if we start creating our blog, they will start displaying here. So now you can see that there is nothing here. It's just the social icon. So how to change all those social icons, how you can remove them, just go and you will see the section that says social widget. So it's this section here. Click on social widget here and scroll down a little bit here, and here you are going to remove all those social icon you can see here. So click on this, delete all of them, the ones that you want. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay with Facebook and Twitter. I will just click on save, and if I go to our website now and refresh, you will see it's just displaying Twitter and it's displaying Facebook and Twitter. So that is it. And if we go back to our website, click on the same widget, and how you can add your let me see, your Facebook or Twitter URL. Click on this section again, copy the URL of your Facebook and paste the URL here, and when they click on it, to take them to your Facebook page. So that is how you can do that. It's very simple. You already know now. So yeah, that is how you can do that on your widget session. And what you can do again, let me say you want to change the, if you see the video that is displaying that says subscribers, how you can get this embed code. So how you can get this embed code is from Facebook. It's from YouTube. So that says subscribe us, which is what is displaying here on your website. You can see that says subscribe us. You see this video here. You can do that by removing it. So I will go to this video. I will click on this section that says share. So once you click on this section that says share on YouTube, so you click on this section that says embed code. So you copy the embed code here and copy. So once you copy the embed code, you need to go back to your dashboard here and paste in that code. Remove this code that they have here. Just right copy everything. Right copy everything and remove and paste in the code that you just copied from YouTube, from your YouTube video. So this is the code I copied from my YouTube video. I will click on save, and now if I go back to my website and refresh it, voila, you can see it's displaying my video now on my website on the sidebar of my blogging website. So if I want to change this subscribe us to just subscribe, but I think subscribe us will be more better. But if you want to do that, go to the same place and you click on this section, and you can remove the text and put something like you can just put something like subscribe us for more updates or anything like that. But I prefer subscribe us. I will just leave it like that and then click on save, and that is all. So how you can do the same for your Facebook page, click on this Facebook page again, and you have to copy the URL of your Facebook code. So how are you going to get your Facebook code like this? So how you can do that, I will show you now. Just pay attention and watch is what I'm going to show you now. So how you can do that is to go to Facebook.developer. So once you search for Facebook for developer, click on this one, the first one, Facebook for developer, and it will open, and you have to log in, connect your account. I'll click on this section here to connect my Facebook account. So I'm going to log in my Facebook account now. So now that I'm on my Facebook for developer, I will click on my apps. So once I click on my app, it will land me on this tab here. You'll find that I have an app on my Facebook for developer, and this is the first app I created. So we don't need that. We just need to search for this that is saying um, um, social plugin. You need to search for social plugin here. Social plugin. Search for social plugin, and just click on search. So once you search for social plugin, you will see a bunch of social plugin here. I think you need to go for the one that says social plugin for. Click this one here that says page plugin social plugin document. Click on this. Yes, I think it's this one. So click on that. Yes, it's this one. So once you click on that, just scroll down. Just scroll down here. Just leave the timeline how it is. Only what you need to do is to copy the URL of your Facebook page and come and paste it here. Come and paste the URL of your Facebook page here. And I will ask you to leave everything that you can see here. Okay, but all you just need to do, remove this section that says show friend face. You don't want your friend's face to be showing on your blog. So if you scroll down here, you'll find how your page will be displaying at the bottom here. So this is how it will be displaying your your Facebook page and the latest post on your website. Just a little part, the first latest post. And if you want that, but if you don't want that, how you can remove that is to remove this timeline. Just tap it and delete this section and leave everything just like as it is. So all I just need to do is to go and copy the URL of my Facebook page and come and paste it here to get my code. So guys, this is my Facebook page. If you have not liked me, I want you to come and like me on this Facebook page. Just search for I am Rigor's Power, and you'll find my Facebook page. Just give me a like, and yeah, that is only what I want from you. Let us keep moving. So subscribe if you find this video interesting. That is only what I ask from you, not much, but just that. And let us go back and paste the URL here on your Facebook developer slash plugin page, and paste the URL here of your Facebook page. Once you paste it there, and make sure you click on enter and scroll down a bit. So when you scroll down, you will see the default and how you will like it to display if you want something like that. And what is good is that you can choose the size of the Facebook page, how you want it to display, how you want your Facebook page to be displaying on your website. So once you are through with that, and you can choose the size here if you want to, but I like everything to just remain the way they are. Use a small header, and if you want to do that, you can just customize it just like you want. But I'm okay with everything. I will click on this section that say get code. So once I click on that, don't touch anything here. Just click on this section that say iframe, and it's going to display your Facebook page here. So normally it's going to display it here, the code at the bottom here. So if it don't show, you need to redo what we did. Come to this section and fill up all those forms again, and you will see that it will display, and you copy the code. Let me show you how you can do that. So what I did again, I just fill up all those forms again because it did not show. I redo it, and I click on all those things. Make sure you select it just like you want it to be, and you can uncheck this and select how you want to select your size, the size you want to display on the sidebar of your website, and click on get code. So not this one, you click on iframe here, and you need to copy all this whole code. Copy everything, copy the whole code here, and you copy this code here, and now you go back to your bloggerwebsite.com, and here you are going to remove this code here, and you are going to paste in your own code, paste in that code here, and you click on save. So let us go and see our website and see how it's displaying on our website. Go to your website again and go to the home menu. You can see that it's displaying now, but it's displaying a very is too little, so we have to make it big. We can do it like 1200 by 228 pixel. So is what we are going to do. So to do that, we need to go back to our Blogger website. So once you're on your Blogger website, scroll down a bit, just scroll down and scroll down again. Just go direct to that Facebook, this section here, click on Facebook, and on the widget here we are going to put 1200. So 1200 for the width, 1200, and the height, which is going to be 1200, yeah, is what we are going to do. If we cannot do that here, we need to go back to Facebook again. If you cannot do it here, the most perfect way is to do it on Facebook page. So we are going to go back and do it. Once you're on Facebook/developer, you need to put 1200 and you put 620 here, 628, 628, and you click on OK and you click on generate the code again. And I think it will be fine now. Copy this code. Just copy the code and go to your Blogger website here, and you need to paste in the code again. Paste in the new code you just copied. Paste it here and click on save. So once you click on save, let us go and view our website now. Let's scroll down a bit and click on view blog, and let us scroll down to see how it's displaying now. I think it's more better now, so it's looking good and it's matching with this video. So I think we have added everything. I think everything is good now. So if you go and view it in other browser, you will find out that everything is working smoothly, because this is where we are editing. That is why you see that it's not displaying at the bottom. But when you go and visit it on other websites, copy the link here and go and visit it in other browser, you will find out that everything is working fine. So yeah, that is for that session. So we have everything set now. We have the menu set up, we have the plugin set, we have the social plugin and how you can add all those things and everything. So the remaining part is the blog. How are we going to start adding blog and start making money on our website? So that is what I'm going to show you now. So how you can create your blog is very simple. The first thing is to click on post. So once you click on post, click on new post here. So we are going to create our first post. So we are going to enter the title of this post. We are going to type in best web hosting service online. We can just do something like this. This is the title of the blog post, and I'm going to copy the content and come and paste it here. I created. We'll just click on. So this is how you can create your blog post. So what you need to do, click on this section that say make sure you are on Compose, not HTML. Click on Compose. Here you are going to enter the text. So before you enter text, select the fonts of the text you want, which we used before, which is called Poppins. So we are going to look for Poppins, which is this one. Click on Poppins, which will be the fonts, and you can select the size of the font, small or normal. You can just leave it at normal, and just start entering the text here. So I'm going to enter. This is the content of the articles I just copied and paste here. So yeah, so this is the article. So you can see it's looking beautiful. So I'm going to make it readable. I'm just going to put something like arrange everything, make everything look good. So this here I'm going to make it a header one, not paragraph everything. Let me just make it header one, so it will look, yes, it's looking beautiful. And this one I will make it header 2. Copy that, not just paragraph. Make it subheading. Make it subheading like this, and just scroll down a bit again and make this one subheading. And yeah, just do the same thing for the rest too. Just I'll make this one subheading. And so you can see what is good is that you can design this website just like exactly how you want. You can do it just exactly how you want. So that is how you can create your blog, your first blog. And this is just an example of something you can create. So once you are done with this, so how you can add link and add your image to it. So to add an image, let us put feature image. The feature image will be at the top here. every time is always at the top. So click on that section as your where you want to add a feature image, and click on this section that say insert image, upload from my computer, and you need to select this file, select file here, and here you are going to look for the file you want to upload. And I will just click on this one. I will click on the image here, so it's uploading. I will just click on the image and click on select. So this is now our blog. This is going to be the feature image, what is going to be displaying as the feature image of our website. I want it to be at the left, and I want to drag it and make sure it's big. So yeah, I want to make sure it's full screen. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. So if you are okay with it like this, yeah, I think it's good. You can just click on this section too. If you want to add an image, you can just click on it again. Click on this section and click on upload, just like we did, and click on this section, choose file, and just scroll down, and you can choose any file. Let me say this one here, and click on open. And once it's open, click on this section and click on select. So this image will be here. So what we need to do, we need to drag it and make sure it's big, and make sure it look exactly like the other one, the same size. So if you are okay with it, is working according to what you want, you can just click on this section to add a label to this post. You just need to click on this section and enter a label which you are going to call hosting and domain, which is what we called it, hosting and domain. So we're going to call it hosting and domain, and click on enter. And I think for me it's okay. You have just saved, and you can add multiple label, which is category. It's called label here, but it's category, and that is how you can do that. So how you can add link to this, like if you want to add the affiliate link to this page here. So all you just need to do, let me use for example, if Ugos Power is the website, let me say this one here, this my main website, which is Ugos Power, is the website I want to send traffic to. I'm talking about the web hosting. All I just need to do is to copy the URL of Ugos Power here. This is the affiliate link, for example. Once I copy that URL, I will come back to this post again, and I will say where I say the guarantee 99%. This section here, I'll just copyright it, and I'll click on this section that you see this icon that say insert a link. Click on that section there, and I will paste in the link, and I will say open in a new window, and I will click on apply. And yeah, so these places now, once they click on it, it will take them to my affiliate link. So anytime if they buy anything from this blog or this content I created, I will get some commission. So on the same thing for the this section that say coupon. I will just click on the coupon and click on this section, insert the link. I will insert the link here, and I will click on the same thing here, and I will click on OK. And if they click on that link, it will take them to the website. So it's just the same thing as this one too. This 55%. Sorry, 65%. I click on that, and I click on this section, insert the link and enter it. Click on open in a new window and click on that, and it will take them to the main website. So once, if you are writing a content, you need to put conclusion. So at the bottom here, you can just write like something like conclusion. You can just put something like that, and conclusion, you can just put something very simple here, and conclusion, and you write your conclusion here. We are going to make the conclusion header, let me say heading, and we can just make it heading or para or a subheading. We can let us leave it as heading, and just scroll down, and you can type it things that you want to type, like the best web hosting. You can just put anything you want to put at the bottom here as the conclusion of the blog post that you are writing. So what I want you to focus on, make sure you focus on a particular topic and give more details about what you are trying to promote, or the services you are trying to talk about, or the product, or the t-shirt, or that services, or that web hosting, or that company you are trying to give details, give more value what I want you to focus on is what people are going to get by just doing this. So if they read out your content, what are they going to profit? Make sure from the beginning you give short details of what they will get if they read this your content, and at the end of the day what they are going to give, if they are not interested on the content, what they can still get for free. So this is to engage somebody on that your content. This is to make people to sit and keep on reading your content so that they can be able to do something. Do something is by taking action, so that they will be long-term subscriber or long-term visitor to your website. So that is what I want you to focus on. So if I'm okay with my content that I just wrote here, all I just need to do is to click on this section that say publish. And do you want this to publish to your blog? Click on yes, publish, and we have our first post on our website. So if we go to our website now, let us go down here. Let us go down here and click on visit site, and you can see that this our blog, this is what is displaying now as our blog post. So I'm going to add another blog post to it so that it will be two. And yeah, so that is how you can add blog posts to your website. And before I add other blog posts, if I click on this blog post here now, you will see that is to display, and I can read the content here. I can click on any link here, and everything is looking good. For me, I think everything is looking good, and you can see you can see the image is not in line. It's not in the same line. So you need to make sure the two of them are the same size and you position them in the same way. So don't position one left and one right. So if I go back now and click on edit blog, let me go back, and if I click on blog post, I click on post here, and I click on like I want to edit it. Yeah, I click on here, and it will open and ask me to edit it, and I will edit the post, and that is all. I'll fix everything I need to fix. So that is how you can do that. So now you know how to, you can post anything on your blog and make money from it at the end of the day. So I will show you more things you need to know about this. Is this your blog you just created? How you can send traffic to it, and how you can start making money from it. So I'm going to show you first website. If we visit our blog here, you can see that on the main menu here, you can see this section that say responsive advertisement. So you need to add something to this part. If you see the first website I showed you before you start watching this video, you see that there was ad that was displaying here, and it was still displaying the sidebar here. So I will show you how you can add something like that to your website. So let us go now and create our account from this web affiliate program. So let us go. So once you're on your website, you need to search for Bluehost. Search for this website that is called Bluehost. Search for Bluehost affiliate, and it will open, something will pop up like this, and click on Bluehost affiliate program, and it will open up. Here you are going to click on login. So you can see that you can create your website. You can create your account on Bluehost and start promoting their product. It's a web hosting company. You can use Bluehost, you can use CJ Affiliates, which is where you can find multiple. You can use Impact. So those are I will leave the link of all those websites in the description. You can click them, create your account for free, get their link, and start promoting their product. So I'm going to log into my Bluehost account. Is very simple. You don't need to wait for 1 week for approval. Instantly, once you create your account will be approved instantly. So let me log into my Bluehost account. So as you can see, this is my Bluehost account. So to get the link is to click on this section that says links. So once you click on links, you need to go and search for the type of widget you want. We need at least like widget that is a little bit long, that look like a banner widget. So we need to scroll down, just scroll down. So once you scroll down and you are here, so we can say, okay, we want something like this or this one. We can just click on this section here, copy the URL, copy the HTML code here, copy it. So once you copy the HTML code, come to your website and click on layout. So once you click on layout, you need to make sure that this section here, something want to be displayed at this section here. So click on layout and click on this section that say, you will see this section that say home add top home. You can see this section that say home add top home. Click on that section and click on this section again like you want to edit it, and remove the code that they have added on it. Just copyright everything, and I think yeah, copyright everything, remove the whole code, I think the code here. So remove everything and paste in the code you just copied from your affiliate, which is Bluehost, and save. So once you save that, let us go and refresh our website and see what is going to happen. So as you can see now, we are promoting Bluehost on our website now. You see now that we are advertising now Bluehost. Anyone that click on this website, we are going to be making 60 euro plus. So if you go to Bluehost here, let me show you how much you'll be making anytime anyone buy or start using Bluehost from that your affiliate link. So if I click on this session here, you can see when I click on statics on Bluehost, you see that per each sign up I'm going to make $65 per each sign up on this program, on this affiliate program. Just imagine you have 20 people that you have signed up under you on Bluehost and they start using Bluehost. If they sign up, it's not because they just sign up you make your $65, but they will sign up and start using Bluehost web hosting, the services. If they start using it, you will start making money. Until they start using it, that is when you will start making money from Bluehost. So all you just need to do is to send multiple traffic and using the people that is interested or want to be promoting Bluehost, and at the end of the day, you will be making money. $65 per each person that sign up and start using Bluehost. So that is why I'm recommending, because it's paying very well. It's paying up to $65 for just referring people to the program. So that is why I like Bluehost. So you can see now that it's displaying now on our website. What if we want Bluehost to be displaying at the side of our website on this bar here, on this widget session? You can see this session here. If we want Bluehost to be displaying on this session here, so how can we do that? What we can do here now is to click on the Bluehost again, go back to Bluehost and click on links. So once we click on links, we need to come down here and select the widget we want to be displaying on our Bluehost. So we can just say, okay, I like let me look for something, at least something like this. Yes, I will copy this code here. I think this one is okay. I will copy it, copy this code here, and go back to your Blogger website dashboard and click on layouts. Once you click on layout and just scroll down under that widget session and just click on that. You click on this section that say add, click on it, and you can remove this, because if you add this, it's going to be showing AdSense ad. So this is AdSense ad. If you if you have start monetizing your account from AdSense, this is how AdSense is going to be using this to display ad on your website. So you can turn it off or remove it. That depends on you. So you can click on remove, and it will be removed automatically from your website sidebar. Yeah, and if you want to add any widget, you just need to click this section, add widget, and we are going to use this test widget here. So go until you find the test widget. Where is it? I think no, it's not that. Where is it? I don't want to use the JavaScript. I just want something very simple. Where is it? Test widget. Where is it? It's at the bottom normally. Where is it? Test widget. If we cannot find the test widget, I think we'll just use the JavaScript. So I will just use the JavaScript, and here we are going to call it ads. We are going to name it ads. So we are going to call it enter the code here and click on save. And if we go to our website now and refresh it, you will see it will display at the top. You can see that it's displaying here now. You can see ads and it's displaying here. So that is how you can display anything on your website sidebar here. So you know now how you can create full website like this, and you see that because everything was, I showed you everything, how you can create the website, add menus, and the time your latest post and categories and everything, etc, etc. So what if you want to display more categories? What if you want to display more categories here? So what you can do here is to come to this section, go to layout, And once you're on layout, come to this section. You know, when we created the main menus, we want the main menu to be displaying. You see, we add hosting and domain. So we want to make sure that the link of the hosting and domain is displaying. So we click on this section here. Click on this section, and what we need to do, we need to copy the link. Click on this section here, and we need to go to your blogger website, and we need to copy the link of your blog. So sorry about that, guys. So what I was trying to say here is that on the if you see, we added a category, and we want that category to be displaying at the bottom if we want it at the bottom here. So how we can make sure the category is displaying too at the top, on the top here, this is the category we created, which is hosting and domain. So what we need to do, we need to make sure this our blog is open. Click on that blog, make sure it's open, and just scroll down under the blog. You click on this section, you see the hosting and domain. You copy the URL. So once you copy the URL here, copy it and go back to your blogger website and click on layout. So once you click on layout, and you need to click on this section here, just click on main menu. Once you click on main menu, scroll down. So once you scroll down here, what you need to do here now is that you need to click on this section that says domain and hosting. Just scroll down and enter the URL of that category you created here. So once you click on that, scroll up a little bit and click on save, and click on save. So any category any post you created and you added that category to it, like you select that category. Let me say I want to create new post. I click on new post, and it's asking me for label, and I just select hosting and domain. Any post I created, it will display on that category. So if I go to my main website now and refresh it, and if I click on this section and click on hosting and domain, it will display that. So why is displaying this? You say there's nothing here, so I need to fix that. I just need to refresh it again. Let us see. So if it's not showing anything here, we need to go back to that page and refresh it again. Let us go back, and so I think it will work now. Let us refresh it. Let us refresh it and see what is going to happen. Click on it. So voila, so it's working now. If I click on it again, so it's going to open this. If I click on contact us form will open. If I click on about us form will open. If I click on home will open. So you can see now that we have created a full website for free by just using blogger.com. So we have our website that is working now, which is godspoweru.bloggerspot.com. So how you can add a translation page. So on your sidebar from your website, click on layout. So once you click on layout here, you need to scroll down. Just scroll down once you click on layout and click on widget, this section widget. Just click on widget, and you need to look for the translation tab here. So just look for it. This is it. Click on it, and you call it a translate language. You can just put language there. Yeah, put something language. Language. I hope I'm spelling it correctly. So put something like that, language, and click on save. And you can drag it down. You cannot put it at the top. You can just put it below the ad. Drag it. That is how you can drag, and you can go now and view your blog to see. So once you click on view here to view your blog, so you can see now that the translation page is now showing on your website. So you can see now that we created our website completely. You see the home, you see the about us, contact us, and the category, which is the category here. which you can see that is saying hosting and domain, and that is how we created this. And 2, for the category, I didn't say that, which is what I'm going to say now. For the categories, what you need to do for the categories, click on layout again, and once you click on layout, you have to go to this the section of category, which is this section, category. Click on category. So once you click on categories here, you will click on select category. So if you click on this section that says click on this section that says listing here. So on this section here, you will find all the categories you created. So just leave it on this section so that you have a drop down. This is how you can set the drop down of your category, but you can just leave it in all label. Click on all label here, just scroll down, or you can click on cloud. Once you click on cloud, just scroll down a little bit, scroll down, or you can turn off this. If you turn it off, you need to scroll down and you will find all the categories you created. So they are down here. So this is the category we created, which is what we call hosting and domain. So that is what we created, you remember. So once you click on it, make sure you check all categories here. So once you click on it and go back to your website again and you refresh it. If you refresh it, then you scroll down a little bit here. Just scroll down until you find category, which is this section. You can see this is the category we created, and at the top, if you remember, on the main menu here, you can see this is the category again. It's displaying here. So this is the website, and yeah, you can see how I did everything for free. So I didn't do anything. All I just did is to just create all those things just by following step by step, and you follow all the session. I'm going to see if you enjoyed this video. All I just want from you is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you find it useful, you find it very useful, and you want me to create more video like this, give me a like and leave me that in the comment section below. I'll reply you as soon as I see your message. So I hope that I covered everything you need to know about this make money online with this method, from creating your own website and start making money from it. And if you want me to create a website, or how I created this my website, leave me a comment in the comment section below, because this website, I created this website from WordPress. If you want me to make that type of video, just leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will tell you that if you like this video again, don't forget again to follow me on Instagram. I am Real God's Power on Facebook. I am Real God's Power on Twitter. I am Real God's Power. I'm waiting for you. I want to hear news and good news about how you start your affiliate marketing by creating your own website for free and start making money from it. I hope that this tutorial helped you. I hope that you find it useful. We spent 1 hour plus together making this website. I hope that you'll be able now to go and create your website. Follow the step by step on how I did it and how you can do it for free. If you don't have money, this is a cool business that you need to start now and start making money from it. And there is one thing I didn't talk about on this video, to start monetizing your website with Google Ad, like me. So you can see now that I'm monetizing my website with Google Ad. So to get approved on Google Ad, you have added everything that is required for Google to verify your account. So sorry about that. How you can start monetizing your website is that you need to go to this session. So to start monetizing your website, all you just need to do, click on this section that say earnings. So once you click on earnings here, you will say look like you have an AdSense account. So to start using AdSense, so that you can start earning ad from your from ads connecting your blog to AdSense. So what you just need to do here is to click on this section. Let me read it out again. It says to start using AdSense so that you can start earning from ads. Connect your blog to AdSense. Click on the section that says connect AdSense, and you have to enter your Gmail password and your account will be set instantly. When I mean automatically, your account will be created and you can start. Google will verify you. Let me say in 2 weeks. Let me just say maximum 2 weeks. If you stay too long, let me say if your website is not ranking, there's some problem on your website, it take like a month. But maximum Google can even verify you in just 1 day. So yeah, Google can verify you in just 1 day. if you have a good content and if your website is really good. So you can see question, frequently asked question session. You can click on this session to ask any question you need to know, and I'll make a special video on how you can connect your AdSense account. But this is how you can add it. It's very simple. Click on it and follow the step by step. It's very simple. There's nothing complicated on this session, and your Google ad will start running on your website just like my own. Let me show you my earning that I have earned from my AdSense. Let me show you proof. Let me show you proof. I don't just want to talk like blah, but let me show you proof. You can see that today I have made just 1 cent today so far, and yesterday 4 cents, and in the last 7 days I make 50 euros and 40 something cents. This month so far I have made 5 cents, and last month and last 2 months my current balance now is 177 euro and 61 cents. This is the how much I have made from monetizing my website. This is the money Google paid me for me allowing them to publish their ad on my website. So just to show you proof that this is working, it's not just kind of a scamming, somebody just trying to make you to work out your ass. At the end of the day, you are not making money from this method. So this method really works. It requires time, effort, and require you to put more consistency, effort, and put your eye down and work on something that you want to really do. Focus on something that you are doing. Don't just do it and expect money, but just do it because this is something you want to give value to people. Use that thing you are doing. Make sure the thing it have value. If people are into that thing, what is this thing going to help people for? What is going to give people? Which type of people is going to be interested on this? So make sure you have that thought on your head. So anytime you are doing business, so that is everything I need to talk about on this video. So I will say thank you very much if you spend time with me creating your own website. So now we have our website now, and you already know how you can connect your Google AdSense and how you can create your blog post and how you can monetize your website with Google AdSense, and how you can monetize it too with affiliate program. You can sign up in multiple affiliate programs that I will leave the link in the description below, and that you can use like Bluehost, GoDaddy, Impact, and there's a bunch. There's even a bunch of website affiliate program that you can go and join and start making money from them. So I hope that I help you in all the areas you are trying to use to make money online, and all the area that I'm using, I just show you proof of something that I'm doing that you can go and do too. So I will say thank you very much, and see you soon on my next video, a way on how you can make money online. So you learn how you can create a website on this video. I hope you find it so valuable, and I will say thank you very much. I will see you soon on my next video, and